Alrighty guys, we're here at Six Flags Great Adventure, about to ride Jersey Devil Coaster. Let's do this, baby. So we're sitting front row on this thing, looking straight up the lift hill right now. Let's do this, baby. You're gonna see the hair flying, I guarantee you. And here we go, we're at the top. Let's do this. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Good air. Love it. And here comes the stall. Good speed. Good air. Love it. Short little pause for a second. And here we go again. Let's do this. That is a good ride. Again, Jersey Devil Coaster, Rocky Mountain Construction, single rail roller coaster, and it lives up to the hype. As you can see, the hair is flying around. Good G's, good speed. They've got a winner. I like the inversions. I think my favorite part on that entire ride, definitely the stall. Overall though, fantastic attraction. Hi!